everyone, I'm Nikki Ottolini and this is Everett, and we're going to be talking to you about Melaleuca and how you use it in the OWIE spray. The OWIE spray, I know it sounds like it's just for kids, but it's not. It's for adults as well. I know I probably use it more than most kids, constantly injuring myself in the kitchen, whether it's using the oven or the stove or a knife incorrectly. I know I'm not as great in the kitchen as my husband, so I tend to get injured in the kitchen more often than probably many do. But we also use it on my husband as well. He's constantly getting injured at work or outside, working in the yard, whether it's with the lawnmower or whatever, or the dogs jumping on us and scratching us or anything like that. But it's great for cleaning out wounds and soothing that area and helping it heal and protecting it from environmental and seasonal threats. What you want to do when you're making your OWIE spray is you can get a 2-ounce glass bottle. This is a spray bottle. I got it from Oil Life. You can also get them from Aromatoils or Amazon. I use a 2-ounce bottle. So what you can do is add frankincense, 15 drops of lavender, and then 15 drops of the Melaleuca as well. And then you want to top it off, the rest of it, with fractionated coconut oil. And that will get you your OWIE spray. So I hope that you enjoy that recipe, and I look forward to hearing all about how you used it.